Hello viewers, let's look at this while question. And this question is on velocity time graph. The question is on velocity time graph. The question says a car traveling at a constant speed of 10 meters per second for 20 seconds was suddenly decelerated when the driver sighted a pothole. It took the driver 6 seconds to get to the pothole with a reduced speed of 80 meters per second. He maintained a steady speed for another 10 seconds to cross the pothole. The brakes were then applied and the car came to rest 5 seconds later. The question says, draw a velocity time graph for the journey. Now, to answer this question, the first thing you're going to draw is your vertical and horizontal axis. This is my time in seconds, and this is my velocity in meter per second. Now let's look at the question. A car traveling at a constant speed of 30 meters per second. So this is the constant speed of 30. This is 30 meters per second. For how many minutes? For 20 seconds. For 20 seconds. 20. This is 0. For 20 seconds. Was suddenly decelerated when the driver sighted the pothole. So, suddenly decelerated, when the driver sighted the pothole. Now, it took the driver 6 seconds to get to the pothole with a reduced speed of 80 meters per second. So, we have 18 here. Now, it took the driver 6 seconds. So, this place we are going to have our 26 because it took the driver 6 seconds to get to the hole with a reduced speed of 80 meters per second. Now, he then maintained this speed for another 10 seconds. He maintained it for another 10 seconds. So this place will be 36 seconds. To cross the pothole, the brakes were then applied and the car came to rest 5 seconds later. So he then applied the brake. So from here to here, the next 5 seconds, that will be 36 plus 5. That will give me 41. 41. So I am to draw the velocity time graph for this motion. So this is my velocity time graph for this motion. Now, the next question, we are asked to calculate the deceleration during the last 5 seconds. So this is the deceleration to calculate. So question 2 now, deceleration. Deceleration. That will give me V2 minus V1 over T2 minus T1. So here I have my 18 minus 0. That will give me 18 minus 0 divided by 41 minus 36. So that will give me 18 divided by 5. 18 divided by 5. And that will give me 3.6 meter per second square. With that, I'll be able to answer the first 2 questions. Now, let's look at the last question. We have to calculate the total distance covered. To calculate the total distance covered. Now, if you are to calculate the total distance covered under a velocity time graph, we are going to find the area of this shape. Now, if you look closely, we have 3 different shapes here. That is my shape 1, my shape 2, this is another shape 3, then my shape 4. Now, I'm going to calculate it, the area of this rectangle, the area of this trapezium, this is another rectangle, and this is a triangle. Let me calculate this one by one. By calculating it one by one, After you have calculated the different areas, you are going to add this together. So that will give us our total distance covered. Now, shape 1. I have my rectangle, so that will give my length times breadth. My length, so my length is 30. 30, and my breadth is 20. And that will give me 30 multiplied by 20. And that will give me 600. 600 for my shape 1. Shape 2. Shape 2 will give me this area of this trapezoid, and that's half sum of parallel sides multiplied by height. These are the parallel sides. I have 18 and then 30. So half into 18 plus 30 multiplied by my height, which is 6. 6. So 18 plus 30 will give me 48 multiplied by 6 equals to 2, half of 288. 288 divided by 2. 288 divided by 2 will give me 144 meters. So for my shape 2. Then the next one, my shape 3. The third shape there. That will give me, this is a rectangle. This is 18 multiplied by 10. That is length times breadth. This is 10 and this is 18. That is 10 times 18. And that will give me 180. Then the last one is a triangle, shape 4. Shape 4 is a triangle that is half base times height. That is half into what the base? The base is 5 and the height is 18. The base is 5, half into 5 times 18. 5 times 18, 5 multiplied by 18 will give me 90 divided by 2, that is 45. That is 45. Now, the total distance covered now. The total distance covered will give me shape 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And that will give me the shape 600 plus 144 plus 180 plus 45. That will give me 600 plus 144 plus 180 plus 45. And that will be 969 meters. So the total distance covered is 969 meters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Karis Tutors. Thank you.